Number 11. Backwaters of Kerala. The God's own country offers the best experience to have roaming on the brackish lagoons and lakes along with the Arabian Sea coast. Kerala backwaters are created by 5 large lakes, canals, rivers and cover almost half of the state with water. Kerala backwaters serve as national waterway for backwater to link number of towns, cities and facilitating cargo movement and backwater tourism. The lakes are one of the major attractions of Kerala and home to unique species of aquatic animals, and birds live alongside the backwater. Number 12. Exotic beaches of Goa. Goa, the smallest state but very rich in tourism and known for its beautiful beaches, world heritage, architecture and worship sites. Exotic beaches of Goa are well known in the world for its freedom and unique in its own way. The stunning beaches in Goa are the major attraction of tourism along with the culture of the region. Apart from white sand beaches, Goa is also famous for owning rich flora and fauna along with the Western Ghats range. Number 12. Snow-clad mountains of Manali. The snow-covered mountains and glittering lakes of Himachal along with series of valleys with snow-clad peaks are adventurous. Himachal Pradesh offers one of the best snow tours of the country and hosts some of the most adventurous winter sports such as heli-ski and snowboarding. The Spiti Valley or the Desert Mountain Valley of Himachal is the most popular snow spot in India to visit. Number 14. Forest of Northeast. The dense and dark forest of Northeast state occupies 25% of India's total forest and covers the all 7 sister states of India. There are 51 types of forest found in the Northeast region, classified as deciduous forest, semi-evergreen, wet evergreen forest, alpine forest and temperate forest. These forests offer 7 major national parks and home to 10,000 species of flowering plants and endangered species of animals along with vulnerable species of birds. Number 15. Temples of Bhubaneswar city. Bhubaneswar, also known as the City of Temples or Temple City of India, for more than 600 number of Hindu temples. Kalinga Nagari is the capital city of Indian state Orissa and also regarded as one of the cleanest and greenest city of India. Bhubaneswar along with Puri and Konark are home to some of the most famous Indian temples such as Lingaraj Temple, Mukteshwar Temple, Duladevi Temple, Konark Sun Temples and Puri Jagannath Temples. Bhubaneswar is only city with dedicated temples to the great trinity Brahma, Vishnu, Mahesh. Those are Brahma temples, Bindusagar, Vishnu temple and the Lingaraj temple of great god Lord Shiva. Number 16. Trek to Valley of Flowers. The Valley of Flowers is a national park located in the peaks of West Himalaya and well known for its variety of flora and meadows of alpine flowers. Monsoon season is the best time to visit Flower Valley and trek through the mountains to long carpet of flowers. Number 17. Tranquil Hills of Kodaikanal. Kodaikanal is a gift of forest located in Dindigul district in Palani Hills at Tamil Nadu. The hill city is blessed with dense forest, cascade waterfall, beautiful meadows and pillar rocks. Tranquil Hill region is also known as Princess of Hills with beautiful spots of interest. Number 18. Araku Valley on Eastern Ghats. The Eastern Ghats is range of mountains along with the eastern coast of India. From West Bengal state through Orissa and Andhra Pradesh. Beautiful Araku Valley is a hill station in Andhra Pradesh and home to different tribes. Araku Valley is the most beautiful part of valley in the Eastern Ghats. Famous coffee plantation and most of the place are yet to explore. Number 19. Colors of Sea at Kanyakumari. The Cape Comorin or Kanyakumari is situated at the confluence of 3 great water bodies, the Arabian Sea, the Bay of Bengal and the Indian Ocean. Kanyakumari is the precious jewel of the oceans and one of the holy site for Hindus due to Kanyakumari temple, one of the 52 Shakti Pitha in India. As per the weather changes and sun location, color of these 3 seas gets changed accordingly. This is one of the best view to ever have. Number 20. Tea Gardens of Darjeeling. Darjeeling, the Queen of the Hills, is located at foothills of the Great Himalayas in eastern India of the West Bengal state. The large tea plantation region, also known as Tea Gardens of Darjeeling, is one of the major attractions of the city, along with beautiful flora, adventure sports, trekking and hiking. Tea of Darjeeling is well famous for its flavor and quality.